guys, I'm excited for another video. And today we're working on the Bronco. Lots of stuff, half torn apart, half greasy. And we're just kind of getting into it. This guy. Oh, I forgot. My seal. My legs. Think. Yo, look at this. This. Ooh, it's a different color. Let's go. This should be this. Oh my gosh. Perfect. That looks like the same thing. Let's go. I didn't totally mess up everything. Swag. Hopping up out of my bed. I'm turning my swag on. I wonder if I'll get a copyright if I like sing it really bad. I'll start on this side. So last time I was in here, that same retaining locking compound that I put on the ball joints, I put on this inner sleeve of this wheel bearing. Because the press fit was a little less press than I would have liked. And this provides me the perfect opportunity to come back and check it. I probably only drove the truck for less than 100 miles between when I did the wheel bearing adjustment and when I just taken it apart now. So I can see if this retaining compound works. Man, I tell you what, this kind of looks like a Pringles can. If any of you guys have two sponges that you would be willing to share, we could work out a deal. My intention is not to take all the grease out and completely redo it, because I kind of just did that. I more so just want to check and make sure that this inner race is seated. So yeah, maybe I'll just kind of, oh, okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. Last time when I did this, I could spin the race with my hand in here. I can't do that now, so that's probably a good sign. I think I'll call that a win. Yeah, this is kind of lame. So the wheel bearing is just kind of like, maybe they just kind of ride in here, and then the races get pressed into here. So one comes in this way, and then race gets pressed in, one comes in this way. Which you will notice, the brake rotor is also a part of that. It's kind of like one big cluster F assembly. It's all of this hub and rotor. You can buy them together, you can buy them separate. It's kind of a pain in the butt to replace the rotors because you have to literally get to this point and then pull all the bearings out and then separate it. So yeah, I don't know. Thanks, Ford. This feels so wrong to take this seal out because it's not necessarily bad, but I got a new one, so we might as well, I guess. What is this? Ryan. Oh, there's a crocodile in here. Oh my gosh, let's try the slide hammer. The slide hammer works so good for everything. That's the perfect tool for this. Let me just cut off my self-tensioning cut off my self-tensioning abomination. Get back in there. Wow, this is gonna work so great. I can already tell. Not using that. No. Hey, maybe I should grab a bigger one. I have bigger ones. This one's like, hey, can I please sit by you? And then this one's like, hey, I'm gonna sit by you. And then this is the no means yes kind of chisel. Yeah. Look at that. No means yes. By that, I mean, what do I mean? Not what you think I mean. That's what I mean, not what you think. Nice. Well, sorry, seal. Your time has come. All right. The main reason I want to pop this off or replace the seal is to check and make sure that this inner race is also not spinning. They're not supposed to spin. The only reason they spin is because this hub is worn out and the tolerances are no longer toleranced. I don't really want to buy a new hub because they're like $100 plus. That Loctite goop was like $5, so I'm gonna I'm gonna let her ride. These rollers look okay. No pitting. Not hearing any sand or gritty. Where's a good spot to set this? How about on this box? Next, get a fingy full. There we go. Get another fingy full. There we go. All right. Moment of truth, I guess. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty eyed about that. All right, we'll let her buck. Yay! Great success. Don't have to half butt repair things anymore with this side. Let's go. How am I gonna remind myself that this is the inside one? Let's see here. How about I do something strange, like stick this zip tie in it. Oh wait, I could just reuse this. Let's go. Man, engineer. Oh no, you're shitting me. There's no way there's not enough. It's so close. It's so close. Come on. What the hecky? What the hecky, Ante? What the hecky, Cyrus? All right, that's how I'm gonna identify it. This is the inside one, guys. Don't forget, we're gonna put it in the bin here with the other wheel bearings. Don't forget, guys, that's the inside one. Does it bay charge at all? Hell no, of course not. What if I unplug it and plug it back in? Yo.
Yes, and there's evidence of it.
Hello there.
Woo!
Hello, darling.
No illegal drugs on my property.
Hello,
Yes,
sweetheart.
Got the new seal. Yeah. Only had to drive like really far away to get it because apparently people don't stock these anymore. Looks to be about the same diameter. I did not bust out the caliper yet, but my guess is it's either an update with this little plastic ring because I can feel it shaking, or this one had it and it fell off. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on and then we will see what's up. So we're back. Got the needle bearing started in the spindle here. I don't have a press here, so I'm using a big block of aluminum that I have and my handheld press. It's working pretty decent. I just gotta make sure I'm inside all these little lips, yeah. Finish it off with this guy. Cause I got it seated all the way now. Gotta not use the fucked up one. I don't need that one. I'll take the little one, please. So you're like, oh my god, Talon, you're going in too deep. Yeah, but no, this seal, you see the little lip on there? That has to sit like that on top of there, so I gotta make enough room for that. You can see there's like a nice big pile here. I figured I'd need probably a lot of the same stuff today, so I didn't put any of it away. So it's kind of multiplying. My toolbox is getting quite empty. All right, that looks, get out of there, brass. I'll use my custom tool here. Nice. I'm gonna put some grease in there first. You know, everybody's got that junk drawer. You can see that it's quite close. And then we got the greasy drawer here. Of course, I got the Lulu bag. It's got my my tubes and transfer pumps and fluid pumps, just like before. Some grease. I'm gonna find a box here, grab some, throw it on there. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. I don't think you can use grease without getting everywhere. It's like anti-seize. Like, next thing you know, you just look like you just got done giving the Tin Man a happy ending. There's no way around it. Okay, seal. All right, just went to check this inner sealing surface on the outer diameter of the axle shaft, and we are good. So just finna put that on there. And then use this guy. And then maybe this guy. Oh, pretty close. Where'd my orange boy go? Woo! Bang! Look at that. Shit looks like a spindle. And then we will just go ahead and throw all of the grease in there. Because whatever doesn't get caught up in this little area will just get pushed through and out when the axle shaft comes through, and that's fine. I'm okay with that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Move it up. This part's done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, my area here is just getting all kinds of foobarred. You're like, oh dude, I don't even know what kind to get. Nah fam, it says right on there. Wheel bearings and chassis. Yeah, there we go. A little bit of dirt in there. Let's get that shit wiped up. So it's kind of clean. It's the next cleanest one I got next to me, so that'll do. Yeah, sure looks like a race to me. Okay. Ooh, the zip tie. Let's go. Look at that, it worked. I remembered which one it is. You can see the zip tie. I need my safety glasses, god damn it. These ones are some high speed glasses here. I can taste it. Okay, I'm gonna go get this thing a BJ and then we'll repack it. All right, I got this thing all cleaned off. Pretty decent, no big chips in the rollers, no weird wear spots, so it's good enough for government work. Something like that, it's probably these. I've already did this once, so I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but just kind of get you some of this in the palm of your hand. Just with this outer cage here in between the inner race where the rollers are. Just gonna scoop up a little bit of grease. Time after 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 time. And then you can see the grease is starting to poke up right in there. So I'll just keep doing that all the way around. Y'all get the drift. All right, we're back. New seal. Just a little kiss. Just a little kiss. Enough to. It's like when you hawk two on that thing, if you know what I mean. Oh. And when you're doing this, you have to hold your hand like this, otherwise it won't work. So you'll notice here, like if I like hit it normally, like it just doesn't work. So I have to. All right, that's good. Sweet. Let's go fire up. This part is done. This part is done. Oh, that's kind of a lot of parts done. Outro. Hey guys, it's your boy Monster X Tells. I did not record enough outro clips to break all this footage up, so we're reusing the same one. The next video, I'm actually going to be putting stuff back on the Bronco. So, yeah, outro.